Tool Plum Blossom Pool T30 Hexagonal Pool H10. Unscrew the two screws behind the steering wheel with clubs. Put the buttons on the front of the steering wheel. Remove the panel from the airbag. Take the sharp pliers and remove the two sockets connecting to the steering wheel. Then use H10 to unscrew the large screw in the middle. Take a pen and remember, mark the position of the center of the original axle. Pay attention here. When marking, mark on the axis of the car, not on the steering wheel. Be sure to mark, not waiting to install the steering wheel. Mismatch center position. If not, when installed, the rear steering wheel will be shifted to the side. Then just take off the steering wheel. Now put our steering wheel on. Mark the center point before. After installing, tighten the large screw in the middle. Plug in the steering wheel. Connect the socket on the car. Test whether the function buttons are used normally. Okay, test no problem. Put on airbags. Plug in the socket of the mortgage airbag. Plug in the airbag. Connect the socket on the car. Just press the airbag down again. Okay, the installation is complete.